Welcome back to Doobrey's Day. Today on Doobrey's Day, we're going to reflect back on 2017, let you know what we're doing in 2018, and we're going to talk specifically about cryptocurrency. Let's get to it. Hi everybody, welcome back to Doobrey's Day. It's 2018. Let's talk about what we're going to do this year for the channel. Well, so far in 2017, I set myself a goal of doing one video a week. Now, we started 6 months ago and we've achieved that. We've done at least one video a week and it's been successful as far as I'm concerned. We've reached 183 subscribers in that time, which I'm more than chuffed about. So thank you guys for watching the videos. I'm hoping to grow the channel a little bit more in 2018. In 2018, guys, we're going to be covering similar style of videos. The majority of my videos are going to be how-to videos, and they don't really interfere with my life. They're mainly about things that I'm either interested in or things that I feel that you guys would be interested in, and I'll then buy something, or I'll introduce you to something, or I'll try something, and I'll share those videos with you. So, for example, this week is going to be about cryptography, and particularly about cryptocurrency. You've heard of Bitcoins, you've heard of Etherum, you've heard of Ripple, which is in the news at the moment. I'm going to show you on this particular video how you can get involved in cryptocurrency, how you purchase cryptocurrency and transfer it to an exchange, how you then use that exchange to convert that cryptocurrency from, say, Bitcoin to Ripple, and then the most important part of the entire transaction is how to store your private key pairs for the coins that you've purchased in a digital wallet, and the pros and cons of the various digital wallets. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what we're going to cover. Let's get to the video. I'll apologise up front, because sometimes I have to look down at the screen because my camera's on top of the computer here. So if I'm not looking directly at you, I do apologise just for this particular video, because I know it's a bugbear of some YouTubers. So guys, we're looking at, oh, look at this wonderful YouTube channel here for Doobrey's Day. There we go. You can see lots of my other videos there. So the first stage is buying Bitcoin. Now you can go directly to some exchanges and you can buy your cryptocurrency directly. However, I found the most easiest method is going straight to Bitcoin and buying it directly from there. So I use something called local Bitcoins. Now I'm going to blur out my details here, and I'm going to log into local Bitcoins, prove that I'm not a robot of course, log into local Bitcoins here. I have to do some security, a two-factor authentication, so I have to use my mobile phone, and then I'm logged in. Okay, so this is a local Bitcoins. As you can see here, you can send Bitcoins, but most importantly, you can buy and sell Bitcoins. So you have a wallet up here, which I'll talk about in a moment. Let's go and buy some Bitcoins. So how does it work? Well, on here we have traders or vendors selling Bitcoins. You decide quite simply how much you want to spend. I want to spend £50, and then you have a choice here of how you want to purchase those Bitcoins. By far the most easiest way of doing this is a national bank transfer, but you can use things like PayPal, Ping, which I think is Barclays. You've got cash at an ATM, cash by mail. As you can see, there's a whole heap of way of buying these Bitcoins. But for expediency, I want to use the national bank transfer. So I'm going to click on that. I'll then hit the search button, and what you'll see is this list will update about people who are selling Bitcoin coins and their current price. So Bitcoins, as like any cryptocurrency, is going to go up and go down during the day. Currently, the Bitcoins are anywhere from £14,000 per Bitcoin to £17,000 for these traders. So if you want them quickly, you can click on this person here, you can buy them. Now, I just want to show you one other thing, that if I go all online offers, you'll see the cost of the Bitcoin will change. So depending on how you want to purchase your Bitcoins, you have to take this into consideration, because you'll get more or less Bitcoins for your money. You may choose to purchase them in a different method to what I'm doing. So for example, this guy here, McVillian, he's got Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, blah, blah, blah. He's selling them for £12,502 at the time of this video. Now Bitcoin in the papers have been raising from, you know, 7,000, 8,000, 15,000, 20,000 pounds. It's been going exponential. So you have to decide when you want to purchase these coins. Okay, so I'm going to go back to national bank transfers. I'm going to do a search, and I'm going to wait for this to go down slightly before I purchase my Bitcoins. So I'll come back to you shortly. And lo and behold, the bitrate coins have gone down. The cost of the bitrate coins have gone down. In order to produce this video, I'm gonna take the hit on the cost of these. It's pretty high at the moment. If you wait longer during the day, this will come down a little bit. So I'm going to buy £50. So £50, National Bank Trust transfer, and I've used Jack Irate previously. So I'm going to go into here and I'm going to say to Jack, I'm going to buy £50 off of him. So I click on the buy button, and on the right hand side it gives you the terms of trade with Jack Irate. And this is not uncommon. It asks for the first time you're dealing with him for photo identification, photo of a matching bank card, etc, etc. I've actually bought some off of him previously, so it should go through straight away. I'm just going to put a message. Hi Jack, would like to buy £50 of Bitcoins. Let me know when you are ready. So Jack will come back to me in a moment. I'm going to send a trade request. That's going to go off to Jack, and you'll see he'll come back to me in a moment. Now, Jack's details are here. I'm going to actually hide up his details because that's all quite private, including my reference message. Once Jack has confirmed that he's ready to send me the Bitcoins, I will transfer the money to his sort code account, the amount with my reference number. They'll then transfer the funds to Jack, and then Jack will confirm that he's released the Bitcoins back to me, and then they will appear in my wallet up here. So well, I now have this communication with Jack. There you go. Bank details are ready to go. Let him know once the transaction has occurred. So I'm going to dive off today to my internet banking, which I'm clearly not going to share on here, and I'm going to transfer £50 from my account to Jack's account using standard internet banking. So I'll do that now. Jack, funds transferred. Please confirm. And then in a moment you'll see that Jack will confirm the funds and he will then release the Bitcoin. So I'm buying 0.00353,005 Bitcoins. Once Jack has done that, it then takes anywhere from 10 minutes to 60 minutes for those Bitcoins to appear in my wallet up here. Once I've got those, I'll come back to you. So guys, as you can see now in my wallet on local Bitcoins, we now have our 0.00353 Bitcoins in our wallet. So I've just shown you how to buy your Bitcoins. We've now got those. I'm now going to transfer those Bitcoins and show you on the computer how to do that over to the exchange. Binance is what I use. I'm going to transfer over now and I'll show you how to do that on the computer. Transferring the Bitcoins from local Bitcoins website across to Binance. So here's Binance. This is a website that you have to sign up with. I'll put the details down below. And what we've got to do is we've got to first of all make an account in Binance. I'm not going to show you how to do that. It's fairly straightforward. But what we need to do is deposit coins, Bitcoins, into this account. The way we do that, we come on to funds, deposits, withdrawals. Bitcoins at the top. We want to deposit Bitcoins, and we need our Bitcoin address. So this is a unique address to me, so I'm going to blur this out, but I will copy this address. I'll then drop across to local Bitcoins, and I'll put in the address here for where the Bitcoins are going to be sent. So they're going to ask me how many I'm going to send. So I'm going to send this amount here. So I'll just do a quick copy of that and paste it into there. So it's all of my Bitcoins. Make sure there's no spaces. And then I'm simply going to continue. So this unique address, this is my public address in Binance, and this is how many Bitcoins. So I'm transferring from this site here to the Binance exchange there to my wallet on that exchange. I hit continue, and I've got to do the two-factor authentication code again. I have no left. So Bitcoin sent successfully to my address in Binance. Now this bit of the transaction takes anywhere between a few minutes and 60 minutes for those Bitcoins to transfer, update the bit chain, I forgot the right name of it now, and it'll transfer from local Bitcoins across to Binance. Right, our Bitcoins, as you can see on the screen, are now in Binance. Now I'm going to show you how to convert the Bitcoins over to Tron cryptocurrency. Let's do that. So the Bitcoins have finally arrived over at Binance. Took a little while, but they're now here. As you can see, I've got 0.031530 Bitcoins. It goes up or down slightly depending on the transaction times. Now I want to buy some Tron. Okay, so Tron's an upcoming cryptocurrency. I believe it may make some money, but it's your choice. Disclaimer again, it's up to you whether you spend your money, blah, blah, blah. I'm not a financial advisor, etc. I'm then going to deposit my Bitcoins and take them out of Bitcoins and make them into Tron. So how do I do that? I go up to Exchange, Basic. Tron is TRX. So I do a search for TRX. There it is. And you can see it's going up, 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 up. And really simply, I click on 100% down here. For all of my Bitcoins, I get 217 TRX if I execute this trade. Currently, it's about 30% increase on what it started at the beginning of the day. So I'm then going to simply click on Buy TRX, succeed. That is that done. I now check my orders, open orders. It's already gone through. Let's go back to my funds. And there we go, Tron. I now have 460 Trons. I already had some originally, so now I've got a little bit more. So we've gone through that process of buying Bitcoins, transferring over to the Tron cryptocurrency. Let's talk about digital wallets. There's 4 or 5 different types of digital wallets. Now you can leave your currency in the exchange in their digital wallet, but there's increased risk because if that exchange gets hacked, you could potentially lose all of your Bitcoins. And once they're gone, they're gone. What is a wallet though? People are saying, well, you store these cryptocurrencies in a wallet. What is it? A wallet is a location of your public and your private key. This is all based on cryptography. I won't go into the nitty-gritty of cryptography because that's a separate video all by itself. But in essence, your private key, you need to keep private. You need to keep that secure for yourself. That's the only way you can recover your coins, whatever coin method they are, at any point in time. Your public key is public, as the name suggests. Those key pairs is what you need to store in your wallet. Now, as I mentioned, the exchange is probably the least secure area for storing them. You could store it in a web vault, which is a little bit more secure in my opinion. You could store it in a desktop vault. Again, the security is increasing the further down this chain we go. You could store it on your mobile. You can have a mobile wallet. And then finally, you could store it in a physical USB type stick called a Nano S, a Ledger Nano S stick, which you can physically take it off of the computer and store them elsewhere. So you have an air gap between your coins that you're storing and your computer system. Personally, at the moment, I'm using the mobile telephone wallet, but you have to have a particular wallet for a particular type of Bitcoins that you are using. Hey guys, that's the end of cryptocurrency. I hope you found it useful. As always, if you like my videos, please subscribe down the bottom there. Please watch every single week. I release my videos every single Friday in the UK. I love your comments. Please give me some more comments. I'm happy to help everybody who needs to know how to get into this cryptocurrency thing. I'll also leave some links down below here about where to buy your Bitcoins, how or where you can use them for exchanging on Binance, and some links down below for various wallets as well. Got any questions or queries, please drop me a note on the YouTube channel, and I look forward to seeing you next week on Doobrey's Day. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye for now. Bye-bye.